This product is the designated tool for the maintenance department of power companies. It's a multifunctional electrical testing and wire stripper tool, allowing you to handle even delicate wiring issues without needing an electrician. It integrates voltage testing, wiring, stripping, and crimping functions, making it as convenient as a pocket-sized toolbox. With a 30-year brand history and international certification, it's trusted by many electricians. It features high-sensitivity electrical detection from 12 volts to 220 volts, easily distinguishing between neutral and live wires, solve common wiring and circuit issues effortlessly. Order today to enjoy a 50% discount and lifetime quality guarantee. We offer free replacements for any quality issues. Purchase with confidence.